Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use advanced filter in Excel. Now, say for example, I have a sales report right here, and what I'm trying to do is identify the shops, say for example, a shop alpha, and how many of that particular product has been sold in that particular shop and when they were sold. So let's go back here to sheet 3 and we can go and click on data, advanced, and then from here, we're just going to go ahead and choose copy to another location because we want to put it here. And then list range, click this one, go to sheet 2, and then we can go ahead and click the sheets that we're working on. Now that that's done, go ahead and click criteria range, and we're going to go ahead and choose A1, A2, B1, and B2. And then copy to, I'm going to go ahead and paste it here. Click OK, and you can see now that we have achieved that one. So shop alpha, and then the product names that were sold. So that's product A1 and when they were sold. So you can also see here the units, revenue, cost, and all the other data in this particular sheet. So yeah, that's one way on how to use advanced filter in Excel.